Istikhara, an Arabic term meaning seeking goodness, is a prayer performed by Muslims when faced with a decision where they seek Allah's guidance. It is particularly significant when making major life choices, such as marriage. Understanding the practice of istikhara, especially in the context of marriage, requires an exploration of its origins, significance, and the principles of Islamic law that govern it. Istikhara finds its roots in the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He encouraged his followers to seek divine guidance through istikhara when uncertain about important decisions. This prayer is a way to ask Allah to help choose the best course of action. The Prophet said, "If any of you intends to undertake a matter, he should offer a 2-rakah prayer other than the obligatory prayers and then say, O Allah, I seek your guidance, in making a choice, by virtue of your knowledge, and I seek ability by virtue of your power, and I ask you of your great bounty. You have power, I have none. And you know, I know not. You are the knower of hidden things." Marriage is a significant milestone in a Muslim's life, often involving substantial contemplation and sometimes confusion. In this context, istikhara serves as a spiritual tool to navigate the complexities of choosing a spouse. The process involves performing 2 units of voluntary prayer, followed by the specific supplication for guidance. It is important to approach istikhara with a clear and open mind, ready to accept Allah's will. Islamic law, or Sharia, outlines the permissibility and procedure for istikhara. According to Islamic scholars, there are no restrictions on performing istikhara for marriage. It is a recommended practice and not mandatory, meaning it is highly encouraged but not obligatory. The purpose is to seek Allah's help in making the best decision, ensuring that the choice aligns with divine wisdom and leads to goodness. Istikhara for marriage is not about receiving a direct answer or a miraculous sign. Instead, it is about gaining clarity and peace of mind. After performing istikhara, a person might feel a sense of tranquility regarding their decision, or they might experience some indications in their daily life that guide them towards or away from the marriage. These indications are subtle and can manifest as a feeling of ease or discomfort, rather than explicit dreams or visions. Islamic tradition emphasizes the importance of taking practical steps in conjunction with istikhara. This includes seeking advice from knowledgeable and trustworthy individuals, considering the compatibility of the prospective spouse, and reflecting on the Islamic principles of marriage. Istikhara complements these efforts by involving a spiritual dimension in the decision-making process. There are some misconceptions about istikhara, such as the belief that it should be performed only once. In reality, there is no limit to how many times one can perform istikhara. If a person remains uncertain, they may repeat the prayer until they find clarity. Additionally, some believe that a negative outcome after istikhara means one should abandon the decision altogether. However, the purpose of istikhara is to seek guidance and clarity, not necessarily to provide an unequivocal yes or no. In contemporary Muslim communities, istikhara remains a vital practice. It bridges the gap between personal choice and divine will, offering a balanced approach to decision-making. The practice underscores the importance of aligning one's choices with faith, ensuring that significant life decisions are made with both rational consideration and spiritual insight. Understanding istikhara within the framework of Islamic law enhances its significance. It is a testament to the holistic nature of Islamic teachings, which integrate spiritual practices with everyday life decisions. For those contemplating marriage, istikhara serves as a reminder to seek Allah's guidance, ensuring that their choices lead to a fulfilling and harmonious life. For more insightful content on Muslim practices and culture, be sure to watch the recommended videos in the description of this video.